Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong alam kaliang persya hapo kiyeng dorbar tawan ke jela uba Ronnie v Lingdo ulaong baka Jingbishar kala job bala yoru yiga Jingbishar ka bahok bat ka Jingkyrmen pat ba kala job bala pentre kam hok yiki an ki kindon jong riti sensar kari India. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor mentaka sengi ke santarik unailar arajar arpulai nakaliang uba Ronnie ulaong kani kala penlong ban penhunnya baro ha kabai dei bat ka Jingbishar kabala penmi ha po gejela Gujarat ha kaba wat ka Ïingkashari kaba pai benya kala bu Jingkyrmen halor ka Jingpenlong ye ka Jingbishar kabala le ka judiciary ha Gujarat dai namar ka takadaw baki Briew jong kari India kan long ka daw ye ki banyak kamen namar baki dang don ki Ïingkashari ki bapet man yada ya ka hok jong ki Briew baru ba Ronnie ulaong bakani kam day tang kamat na kabenta ka Jingjob jong Rahul Gandhi ne uweu Briew Henry kani kala day kamat na kabenta jong baro ki Briew hapo kari ulaong ru bawat hadin ki Jingjia ki bala sapriang Henry kadang don hi ki Jingkyrmen bat ka Jingshania ha ki Jingbishar ka bahakri du ka Supreme Court bat kani kam day ka Jingjob jong Rahul Gandhi shimen Henry kadai ka Jingjob jong kari ka bapen i bakum kari kadai shisha kata kari ka baka Jingkyrmen pat ba ka jor bat ka keo hado kata-kata. Hoi kala don ka Jingting menshua yo ka Ïingkashari kan mat sendon ya ka ikhtiar jong Rahul Gandhi Henry ka ka baka Ïingkashari ka pen ipat da ka ba bishar lingba ka hok kalong ka ka ba itenat la bendrap uba Ronnie. Ulaong ru bakumu nongelam kaliang persya coka seng kongres badru ika seng hi barok kawai upen pau ke Jingkyrmen ye ke Ïingkashari ka bahakli edu naga benta ke Jingbishar ki bahok jongka.
Finally, truth has prevailed. Justice has been delivered. Democracy has won, and Constitution of the country has been upheld. So, this leaves a lot to be desired about, the judiciary in Gujarat, where even the observation of the highest court in the country has questioned, the way this was handled by the judiciary. So I think for the people of India, this has come as, as something to be happy about. There is still the judiciary to protect the justice for the citizen of the country. This is not about one individual. This is about the citizen of the whole country. Now, when you see so many institutions have been subverted, so I think we still have, last hope. We still have hope, in court. The Supreme Court has, upheld, rather state the disqualification of Rahul Gandhi. It's not the victory of one man. It's not the victory of one individual. It's the victory of the whole country. It's the victory of India, where now we still believe in the, in the saying that India is the biggest democracy. Now that meaning, that word has meaning. Earlier, we were afraid that even the court might have been subverted. But now finally it's been proven that the court has upheld the rights, the freedom, and justice. That is very, very comforting. That is we are very happy, and I would like to express as CLP leader of the Congress Party in Meghalaya, express my deep appreciation to the highest court, where we can still, approach the court for justice.
Do you think this will have an impact in 2024 as far as Congress is concerned? Positive impact in the run up to the election?
You see, let us not look at the political angle. Let us look at the legal angle. Political angle, people will make the decision, but I think the best part is the legal angle, the legal aspect, where now we can still have faith in the legal system of the country. That is very important.